Okay, hello dear friends. So the other day I made some kind of homemade cream cheese, and I will toast some bread. And put the cream cheese or homemade cheese, and then some salmon and cucumber on top of it will be a very good little meal. Peel the cucumber. Now I can start to toast the bread. I know you like to see this light makes my chopping board look so dirty. Feel bad about it. Okay, that's sufficient. Okay, the bread is ready. Take it out. I already made one. Oh, it's perfectly toasted bread. This one, because it's thin, a little bit overdone, but generously apply the cream cheese or homemade yogurt and put a layer of cucumber, thin like oh, that is too thin. Okay, another very thin one, and a little bit no salt and salmon. And some people like lemon, put lemon. Otherwise, put some pepper. Hello. Bye-bye. And that is it. Enjoy. Bon appetito. Catch. Bon appetito. Do 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 do.